Hey team, just a quick video on how to change from the spindle to the laser module on a Proteus P3. So I'll just turn the camera around. At the moment the machine's been homed and it's got the spindle tool in it. So the first thing we want to do is, we connected and we've homed it all. So we come into here and we're going to issue the command T99 space M6. It has to be in capitals. And then we push enter and we get the double OK, and now it's turned the spindle off and it's now in laser mode. However, we haven't got the laser module connected. So the next thing we want to do is we want to jog the so using this button we're going to increase the jog increment to 0.5 meter, which is the maximum, and now the Y minus, if we look at my little legend, Y minus brings us this way here. So we'll just do that. So that's going to come 0.5 meter, and we'll do that one more time. So it's now going to come another 0.5 meter. Still want to get a little bit closer to us, so we're going to change that jog increment down to 100 millimeters, and again we'll push the Y minus, and we'll do it one more time. And so we're just about at the end, but we're now close enough that we can get to it. And because I'm really lazy, I'm actually just going to bring the X across. So I'm going to push X plus, and it's still in the 100 millimeter increment, and now I'm close enough to where I can get access to it. So the first thing we want to do is take the bit out of the actual spindle. So we need a 30 and a 19 millimeter spanner. So I'm just going to pause and do that. Cool, so I've taken that off. Then we've got a little cover on the side here which is just magnetic, so that pops off. Put that into a safe spot, and the next thing we want to do is grab a laser module. Again, a bit awkward with one hand, but we'll get there. Cool, so, and this is literally just magnets, and it clips on like that. And it instantly powers up, but it's not energized. And then what we're going to do is grab a high pressure assist tube, and I'm just going to connect that. Again, it's a little bit hard with one hand, so that's plugged in. Cool. What I've got here is a little flow rig, and so before we're about to laser cut, we open that up quite a way because this is a precision rig, and you've got air blowing out there. It's probably a bad habit to use your hand under that. And on here I've found, when that focuses, just under the 8, you'll hear it audibly changes. And you hear how that changes tone. So I just go just under that noise. That's quite a lot of air coming out of that. So that's, it's really, ignoring the tape. This is bad planning on the video on my behalf, but you can see, there's quite a lot of force coming out of that. So that's fantastic. And we're now ready to start to load our program, and we just load our program in the ordinary way. Now, when you're using the laser, we must have our laser glasses on and make sure that no one's around us and prevent other people from looking at the laser beam from a safety perspective. So that's how we change from the spindle to the laser, and make sure that when you're cutting that you don't yank this hose out of the way. I will permanently route it, but it's just temporary for now.